these recipes would work on people who were suffering the most, who had the most severe cases of type 2 diabetes. I had to know for sure. So I came up with a plan. I decided to post adverts online and in local newspapers, asking for volunteers who might be willing to put our diabetes reversing recipes to the test. They had to be type 2 diabetic, overweight, and unable to lose weight no matter their diet or how much they exercised, tired, hungry, and experiencing many of the typical diabetic symptoms. After just 6 days, we had 96 people suffering from varying degrees of type 2 diabetes who would test the protocols. The results were way more incredible than any of us could have imagined. Without exception, and within a maximum of 32 days, all 96 volunteers reported dramatic improvements in their blood sugar. Better still, the average weight loss was about 26 pounds. Energy levels soared. Any risks of heart attacks, amputations, or strokes were completely eliminated. Blood pressure normalized. Brain fog was lifted. Aches and pains subsided. A total of 97% of participants went on to reverse their diabetes. The other 3% fell just short, but were no less overjoyed at the weight loss and health benefits they'd achieved. I received emails, phone calls, and text messages from people overwhelmed by the changes and desperate to thank me. Nicholas Green, one of our test subjects, a 46-year-old butcher from Grenada, Missouri, lost 1 pound of fat overnight after starting the program, and another 32 pounds within the following weeks. He went from this to this. It was clear my medications weren't working. After 7 years on them, I had gained over 40 pounds. And when I saw your message, I knew that this was my ticket out of this death trap. My leg swelling has now disappeared. I feel more energetic, mobile, and my joint pain has gone. I'm still dropping weight to this day because of these dressings. Thank you, Eric and Amanda. Ray C. Varela, a 44-year-old notary from Tacoma, Washington, lost 18 pounds going from this to this. I felt so guilty when I heard I had diabetes 10 years ago, she said. I was afraid I'd never have kids or I'd give it to them. I felt guilty that it was my fault somehow. So I'm glad to hear it's not my fault. Ray has since reversed her type 2 diabetes, boosted her energy, and rekindled the romance in her marriage. That was it. We developed a natural, clinically proven treatment for reversing even the worst cases of type 2 diabetes. After seeing the effect that diabetes had on my own wife, I made it my mission to ensure that no one else ever has to suffer like she did. This protocol works, and I'm excited to say that the obscene statistics about diabetes are about to change forever. Remember, due to the toxic environment we now live in, our cells are being relentlessly attacked by damaging and poisonous airborne toxins on a daily basis. This happens no matter where you live on Earth. It is unavoidable. As a result, they predict that nearly 1/3 of all American adults will be diabetic by 2050. Today, things are finally about to change. With Amanda Feerson's help, I've created a clinically proven and all-natural protocol that will allow you to finally reverse your diabetes and take back control, with no medications, exercises, or dieting, and do it within the next few weeks. And I've called it the Halki Diabetes Remedy. This program is designed for any type 2 diabetic, pre-diabetic, or anyone who struggles with weight loss, especially those over 35. It's so easy to follow, a child could. Yet, it's more powerful than any medication on this planet. Here we are, ready for you to finally get the flat belly and slim body you've been dreaming of and which you deserve, to free yourself from the clutches of diabetes. So what exactly are you going to get at the Halki Diabetes Remedy? You'll get your hands on the Halki Diabetes Remedy Fast Start Guide, where you will find everything you need to know to reverse diabetes.